Let's be honest. We all have that drawer. The one we open when we need a pen, and instead find old batteries, broken keys, cables from who knows what, and a random screwdriver that doesn't even fit anything we own. We call it a junk drawer. But have you ever wondered why we keep all that junk in the first place? Today, I'll show you how to transform that chaotic drawer into a space of pure order, and in the process, understand something deeper about how clutter controls our lives. Before we dive in, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon, because this one simple change might just make your entire home, and your mind, feel lighter. The psychology of the junk drawer. Every house has at least one. It might be in your kitchen, your study, or your bedroom. It's the place where lost things go: paper clips, receipts, rubber bands, random wires, old coins. But here's what's interesting. The junk drawer isn't about laziness, it's about indecision. Every time we find something and think, I might need this someday, it goes into that drawer. We don't want to throw it away, but we don't know where to put it either. And over time, that drawer becomes a symbol of postponed decisions, hidden chaos, and things we can't quite let go of. So transforming your junk drawer isn't just cleaning, it's reclaiming control. One small step at a time. Step 1. The brave moment. Empty it out. The first step is the hardest. Pull the entire drawer out. Yes, the whole thing. And empty everything onto a table. The moment you do that, you'll feel two emotions at once. Shock. How did I fit so much in there? And guilt. Why do I even have this? It's okay. Step 2. The sorting game. Now divide everything into 4 simple piles. Use it often. Things you actually need and reach for. Useful but rare. Things that have a purpose but are rarely used, like tape or a tiny screwdriver. Sentimental. Little keepsakes you're emotionally attached to. Junk. Broken, expired, or useless items. As you sort, you'll notice something surprising. Most of what's inside isn't junk at all. It's memories, just-in-case items, and forgotten intentions. Step 3. The cleaning reset. Now that your drawer is empty, wipe it clean. Use a bit of mild cleaner or vinegar spray. You'll be amazed how much dust, crumbs, and pen marks gather in a small space. That clean, blank drawer is like a mental reset button. It's a fresh start, a quiet moment before you rebuild. Step 4. The organization formula. Now let's rebuild your drawer with purpose. Compartmentalize. Use small boxes, trays, or even old food containers. Every item deserves a home pens with pens, batteries with batteries, cables with cables. Label everything. A small label saves hours of searching later. It doesn't have to be fancy. Even masking tape works. Step 5. The 1-minute habit. Here's the habit that keeps order forever. Every week, spend just 1 minute rechecking the drawer. If something doesn't belong, take it out. If something's missing, put it back. 1 minute of awareness saves hours of frustration later. This tiny ritual keeps your space, and your mind, in control. Because organization isn't a one-time act, it's a mindset. The emotional transformation. When I organized my own junk drawer, something strange happened. I didn't just feel proud, I felt peaceful. It reminded me that our outer space often mirrors our inner space. The more cluttered our surroundings are, the heavier our thoughts feel. You'll not only transform a drawer, you'll transform a mindset. Because order doesn't start in big places, it starts in the smallest corners we've ignored for too long. And when those corners are clean, life, somehow, feels a little lighter too. If this story inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more simple, science-backed ways to make your life calmer, cleaner, and more organized. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because sometimes true transformation begins not with what you add, but with what you finally decide to let go.